Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy A60, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the connections, go for the more connection settings, and tap on the printing. Let's click on the default print service. And here we got our printer. So right now when you want to print something, I will go for the picture, this one, click here, tap on the print, select your printer, and right now if you want to print, just click on the printer icon. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.